So here's the uncomfortable truth nobody tells about. I have made money with both Amazon Associate and ClickBank, but one of them constantly pays me 3 to 4 times more per month than the other. And it's probably not the one you think. Look, I am Bisho, and back in December 2021, when I started this wild affiliate marketing journey in my auntie's house in Tiruvandor, I thought ClickBank's 50 to 70% commission were obviously better than Amazon tiny 1 to 10% cuts. I mean, basic math, right? I was completely wrong. And today I am going to show you the real numbers from my own accounts, break down why the one platform crashes the other for most beginners, and help you figure out which one actually makes sense for your situation in 2026. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how both platforms work. You will see my actual earning data from the past year, and most importantly, you will know which platform matches your current skills level and niches. Because here's the thing, choosing the wrong platform does not just waste your time, it can kill your motivation before you even get started. And if you're new here, I run Maximum Marketing, and my wild approach is radical, honestly. I share the wins and losses because the real journey helps you way more than some polished highlight reel. So let's dive in. Before we get into the numbers, quick context. I started affiliate marketing in late 2021 with literally zero experience. My first year, complete disaster. I tried CPM marketing, failed at Facebook promotion, lost money on stuff that gurus promised would work overnight. But here's the what changed everything for me in 2022 and 2023. I learned SEO, like really learned it. Not just the surface level keyword step, but how to build content that actually ranks and bring consistent organic traffic. And that's when I started thinking both Amazon Associate and ClickBank seriously. Now I am currently in my second year at National University studying economics, running my agency, and yes, actively using both platforms. So this is not some theoretical comparison. There's a real number from someone who's actually in the thesis. And look, I am not some overnight success or decades-long guru. I am just a 20 years old from Dinajpur, Bangladesh, who's been few step ahead and I'm willing to race back and help. Cool. Amazon Associates, the monsterhood giant. Alright, let's start with Amazon Associates because most people completely misunderstand how this platform actually works. The first thing anyone notices is comparison rates, and yeah, they look trivial on paper. You are getting 1% on most general products, maybe 3 to 4% on electronics, and they're all lucky 8 to 10% on lucky beauty fashion items. When I saw this back in 2022, I thought, why would anyone choose this? But here's what changed my mind. Conversion rate. When you send someone to Amazon, they're not just buying the product you recommended. Amazon's tracking cookies last 24 hours and you earn a commission on everything they purchase during that window. I hate people click my link for a $15 phone case and end up buying $200 worth of random stuff. I got paid for all of it. Let me give you the real example from my own experience. Last October 2025, I write a review article about budget of wireless earbuds. I rank it on Google through pure SEO, no paid traffic. That single article sent about 2,800 clicks to Amazon that month. My conversion rate? Around 8.5%, so roughly 238 people bought something. Now here's the interesting part. The earbuds I recommended were $35 at 4% commission. That's a 1.40 cent per sale. But my average commission per click was actually 2.80 cents. Why? Because people bought other stuff. Someone bought the earbuds and a letter stand. Another person bought a coffee maker, another gathered some books. That's Amazon's secret weapon, shopping cart. The second advantage, trust. When people land on Amazon, they are already in buying mode. They trust the platform, they have probably got Prime, their credit card is saved, their friction is incredibly low. You are not asking them to take a leap on faith on some random checkout page. You are sending them to a platform they already use. Third advantage, product variety. There are literally millions of products. You can promote almost anything: tech, books, kitchen, gadget, fitness, equipment, pet supplies, whatever niche you are in. Amazon probably has it, but, and this is important, Amazon has downside too. The 24-hour cookie is short. ClickBank's is 60 days. If someone clicks your link, gets destroyed and buys 2 weeks later, you get nothing. Also, those commission rates really are low. You need volume to make serious money. ClickBank, the high commission trap. Now let's tell ClickBank. And I am going to be honest here because I wasted a lot of time on this platform because figuring out how it actually works. ClickBank pays is sensitive, 50%, 60%, sometimes 70% commission on digital products. You promote a 197 bucks course, make 100 plus per sale. The math looks incredible compounded compared to Amazon's 2 to 5 bucks per conversion. And look, I am not saying ClickBank does not work. It does. I know people crushing it with ClickBank, but here's what they don't tell you in those make money with ClickBank videos. The conversion rates are brutal. With ClickBank, you are typically promoting higher priced digital products, courses, software, membership programs. Those require way more trust and consideration than a 30 bucks phone case. People don't impulse buy a 200 bucks weight loss program. They way impulse buy a kitchen gadget. My experience, when I tested ClickBank in 2023, I was getting conversion rate around 1 to 2%, sometimes lower. So even though the commission per sale was higher, I needed way more targeted traffic to make it work. Here's the other thing. A lot of ClickBank products are just, let's just say, questionable query. There are good products on there, absolutely, but there's also a ton of overhype, over-promising stuff that I would not feel comfortable promoting to my audience. And if you promote garbage just for commission, you are destroying your credibility. I actually learned this the hard way with my World University project back in 2023 and 24. I was so focused on what will make me money that I forget to think about what people actually needed. That project failed, exceptional lesson, but it's taught me that sustainable affiliate marketing is about matching quality products with genuine needs. Not just crashing high commission. The other ClickBank challenge, refunds. Digital products have higher refunds rates than physical products. And when someone refunds, you lose your commission. I had months where I made 5 sales, got excited, then had 2 people refund. That hurts. Okay, so let's tell actual money. Because that's why you are here, right? In 2025 and 2026, across my various content sites and projects, Amazon AdSense generated and 2,800 bucks per month on average. Some month lower, some month higher, depending on seasonality. Quarter 4 2025 was obviously better because of holiday shopping. ClickBank generated approximately 6 to 900 per month on average. Now, people think clearly Amazon is 3 to 4x better. Let me explain why those numbers what they are. Because context matters. For Amazon, I am running a SEO-based content site with constant organic traffic. I am getting thousands of visitors per month to product review articles, combination guide, and how to content. The traffic compounds over the time because I am ranking on Google. Once your article rank, it keeps beginning traffic month after month without additional work. For ClickBank, I was testing paid traffic and some email marketing. Both require ongoing effort and investment. I was not putting as much systematic effort into ClickBank because I forced my time to what was working better Amazon. Here's the important insight. Amazon win for me because it matches my skill set, SEO and content creation and my audience behavior. People searching Google for product recommendation. But I know after doing 5k to 10k per month with ClickBank because they are really good at Facebook ads, YouTube ads or email marketing. They have built email lists in specific niche for like fitness or personal finance and they promote quality into products that their audience genuinely benefits from. So the question is not which platform is universally better. The question is which platform fits your current skills, traffic source, and audience. Let me give you a framework to actually decide which platform makes sense for you right now. Choose Amazon as it on if you are focused on SEO and content marketing. If you are willing to write helpful articles, rank them on Google, and build traffic over the time. Amazon is perfect. That's the path I took, and it works too. You are in a niche with physical products. These fitness equipment, home goods, kitchen stuff, books, outdoor gear. If people are searching Google for those things, Amazon is your friend. 3. You are just starting out and what faster wins. Amazon's higher commission rate means you can make fast commission faster, which is huge for motivation. I remember my first 12 bucks commission from Amazon. I felt incredible because it proved that stuff actually works. 4. You value constant predictable income. Once your Amazon content ranks, it becomes relatively passive. You are not constantly launching new promotions or buying ads. Choose ClickBank it on if you are good at paid advertising. If you know how to run profitable Facebook ads, Google ads and YouTube ads, ClickBank's higher commission will give you more margin to work with. You can spend more on ads and still profit too. You have to an email list. If you have built an audience that trusts you and opens your email, promoting relevant ClickBank products can be really effective. The key word is relevant. Don't just spam your list with random offers. 3. You are in a niche with high-ticket digital products, personal finance, entrepreneurship, dating and relationship, health and fitness, personal development. Those niche have quality ClickBank offers that solve real problems. 4. If you are comfortable with sales psychology, ClickBank products require more sophisticated selling. You need to understand pain points, objection, and how to build desire. If that interests you, go for it. My audience recommendation for 2026: start with Amazon Associate It. You are a beginner. Here's why. The learning curve is grander. You are promoting products people already went and searching for. You don't need to become a monster copywriter and a buyer on day on. Also, you are building a real asset. When you create SEO content that ranks, that content works for 24/7. I have got articles from 2023 still generating commission in 2026 without any additional work. Once you have made your first $500 to $1,000 per month with Amazon and you understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, traffic conversion, trust, then experiment with ClickBank. Use your Amazon earning to fund ClickBank testing, try some paid ads, build an email list, trust different offers, see what works. That's exactly what I did, and honestly, even throughout ClickBank makes me less money right now. I am glad I am learning it because diversification matters. Relying on traffic sources or platform is risky. Let me quickly share the biggest mistake I see people making with both platforms because I haven't made most of them myself. Amazon ClickBank number 1, creating then content just to rank and get clicked. Google algorithm is 2026 is too smart for that. Your content needs to genuinely help people, otherwise it would not rank or it not convert or both. Amazon mistake number 2, only promoting that exact products in your article. If you are writing about the best budget laptops, link to laptops but also related accessories. Laptop bags, micro external hard drives. Remember, you earn a commission on the wildcard. ClickBank mistake number 2, promoting products or you have not reached or without not actually remembered. Your reputation is worth more than $100 commission. I learned this the hard way. ClickBank mistake number 2, expecting quick wins without understanding your traffic source. ClickBank works best when you have warm traffic, people who already know and trust you. Cold traffic is a sales space, really converts well. Both platforms not tracking your data. You need to know which articles, which products, which traffic source are working. I use Google Analytics, Amazon's reporting, and simple spreadsheet. Without data, you are just guessing. Alright, let's make this practical. Here's what you should do after watching this video. Step 1. Pick your platform based on the framework I give you. Be honest about your current skills and resources. Don't choose ClickBank just because the commission look sexy if you don't have paid traffic skill or an email list yet. Step 2. Choose on niche. Don't spread yourself thin. I focus on tech and digital marketing content for Amazon. Pick something you are interested in if that has commercial intent. Step 3. Create your first 3 pieces of content. If you are going to Amazon route, write the 3 helpful articles targeting keywords people are actually searching. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest to find low commission keyword. Step 4. Get your affiliate accounts approved. Amazon requires you to have a website with content. ClickBank is easier. You can sign up immediately. Step 5. Be pretend and constant. My Amazon content took 2 to 3 months to start ranking and generating traffic. That's a normal. That is not a one success. It's built something real success. Look, I started December 3rd, 2021 is my auntie's house with 0 skills and 0 money. Failed repeatedly for a year, but I kept learning, keep testing, keep adjusting, and now in 2026, after marketing is a legitimate part of my income while I am still in university. You can do this too. You just need to pick the right platform for your situation. Stay consistent and be willing to learn from failures. This will help you to understand which platform actually makes sense for you. Do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps to YouTube, shows this more people who need it. And subscribe you when more honest, data-driven content about affiliate marketing and building online businesses. No hype, no overpromises, just real stories from someone who's actually doing it. Drop a comment and tell me, are you learning to write Amazon Seed or ClickBank? And what's your biggest concern about studying? I read every comment and I'll respond with specific advice for your situation. Also, if you want to go deeper on Amazon affiliate site studies, I just posted a video breaking down exactly how I rank article in 2026. It's linked in the description. Check now. Thanks for watching. Remember, you are not trying to become a millionaire overnight. You are trying to build something sustainable that grows over time. And that's actually way more valuable. See you in the next video. Bye.